As the world's first professional auction platform that specialises in photovoltaic equipment and having a massive storage volume of 5,000 square metres, Solar Auctions can offer solar modules and other renewable energy products at reasonable prices. Among the high quality solar modules that we offer is the Austa Energy AU 108MH. This module series has 5 models with a maximum power output of 410 watts and a peak efficiency of 20.97%. This product is equipped with 108 split cells in a single module, twice more than when compared to a standard solar module. Each half-cut cell produces the same amount of voltage as a conventional cell, but only half of the current. This reduction leads to lower electrical resistance, thereby decreasing electrical losses and improving module efficiency. Also, this architecture improves the resistance of the module against hotspots. Its positive power tolerance of 3 watts guarantees a stable and reliable energy supply, while its wide operating temperature range of -40 to 85 degrees Celsius allows it to function well in diverse environments, including areas with drastic day-to-night temperature changes. A durable design with tempered glass and an anodized aluminium alloy frame ensures the module's ability to withstand negative environmental effects and a mechanical load of up to 5,400 pascals. Our module has proven resistance against potential induced degradation, since it has passed TÜV Nord standards. It is also resistant to chemical corrosion thanks to its anodic oxidation layer. Moreover, it has a waterproof IP68 rated junction box for protection against solid objects.